How to share a YouTube video on your Instagram story. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. So I'm going to show you guys how you can actually do this. So by copying the link and then put it on your story, but I'm also going to show an even better way. And I'll explain in a bit why I have a better option as well. So I can just simply go to YouTube. So let's say I were to share the second video, how to bid on Upwork. Then what I can actually do, click on the three dots, click on share, then click on copy link. Now we have actually copied the link from my YouTube video. Then we can go back and add something to our story. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll just, take a picture of my mouse just like that. And then at the top, you have the sticker icon. This is where you normally could like add your location or mention someone or add music. And also here you can actually click on a link. That's actually where I'll click on, and then I'll paste in the YouTube link and click on done. And this is how that link will now look like. Now you can tap on it, do like different looks, then add this to your story. Now, if I now click on this link, click on visit link, this will sort of open up the link inside the like Instagram browser. Now, I am actually not logged in. I cannot subscribe or like the video. I have to click on open app, and then it will open up the video inside the YouTube app. But that is like more of a hassle, and a lot of people don't really like that. Now you can actually have a feature where it will directly open it up inside of your YouTube app. Now, how can we actually do that? You simply want to go to this website over here called LinkedIn, or LinkedIn, sorry, just like this, linktw.in, and then paste in your YouTube link from your YouTube video. Click on create, and here you want to click on copy, and then copy it just like that. So now we have copied this brand new generated link, and if I now create a new story, another, take a picture, add the sticker link, and then paste it in here, then click on done, we actually have a direct link. Now, as you can see, this link does look weird though. It says linktw.in instead of YouTube. So if you want to have that, you can actually create a new one. And then here it says customize sticker text. So to make it look more realistic, we can actually do like u2 and then .be. That's like how the link normally always looks like. And then we can actually click on story. And now, as you can see, these links look exactly the same. But when we click on this one and then visit link, boom, there you go. It will directly open this up inside of the YouTube app. And that is exactly what you want, which is even better than, that other link, which will just simply open it up like this. This one will actually open it up inside the app. So that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.